Good day everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix print preview is not available or if you're not able to print document in Excel. Now, there might be an instance where you're trying to print an Excel document and when you try to go to print, the printers are not listed or you would get a message saying that print preview is not available. Now there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now the first step to resolve this issue is to make sure your print spooler services are up and running. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type services.msc and then click on OK. This should open the services window. Once you have the services window, you will have to locate for print spooler. You will have to do a right click on the print spooler and then click on properties. Make sure the startup type is being set to automatic and then click on start. Once this is done, you may click on apply and then click on OK. Do a right click on the print spooler again and then click on restart. So with this, you're making sure your print spooler services are up and running on your computer. Once this is done, you may close this window, go back to your Microsoft Excel and then try to go to print preview and you should be able to see the print preview of the document, and at the same time you should be able to choose the different printers listed under this section. So this should fix the problem. Now in spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, if you're not able to see a print preview, the next thing what you could do is you can make sure you have set the default printer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to click on the Bluetooth and devices. On the right hand side, you will have to click on printer and scanners. In this, you will have to make sure you have a default printer set. Just in case if you don't have the default printer set, what you could do is you can choose the respective printer and then click on this arrow and then click on set as default. So with this, you're setting your printer as a default. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to set print to PDF as a default. Once this is done, you may go back to your Microsoft Excel and check if you're able to print or preview the document before printing. So this should definitely fix the problem. In spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, if you're still not able to see a print preview or print any document from your Office or in your Excel, the next thing what you could do is you can try to repair your Office. To do this, you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type appwiz.cpl. So this is a shortcut to open the programs and features on your computer. So the programs and features will display the list of programs which are currently installed on your computer. Once you have the list of programs, you will have to locate Microsoft Office. In my case, it is Office 365 for business. It could be different in your case. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click and then click on change. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. When prompted, you would get two options, quick repair or online repair. I would strongly recommend you to go for an online repair and make sure you have a good internet connection. Once you choose the online repair, click on repair and wait for the repair to complete. Once the repair is complete, restart your computer and then you should be able to print or print preview document in your Excel or in your Office application. So all this steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.